Artificial intelligence is writing essays, creating art, coding software, and even talking like humans. So, does that mean your job is next? Not exactly. Because despite all the hype, AI has one major limitation that most people completely ignore. Every new technology has sparked fear. When machines entered factories, people thought human workers would disappear. When computers arrived, many believed millions of jobs would vanish. But history tells a different story. Technology changes work, it doesn't erase humanity. AI is incredibly fast at analyzing data, recognizing patterns, and automating repetitive tasks. But it doesn't truly understand emotions, build genuine trust, or make complex moral decisions. Think about teachers who inspire students, doctors comforting patients, or entrepreneurs creating entirely new ideas. These jobs rely on creativity, empathy, leadership, and human judgment, qualities AI can assist with, but not fully replace. In reality, the biggest change isn't that AI will replace everyone. It's that people who learn to use AI may replace those who refuse to adapt. Just like the internet became a tool everyone had to learn, AI is becoming another skill rather than a complete replacement for humans. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans working with AI. Those who embrace new technology will have more opportunities, while those who ignore it may struggle to keep up. So the real question isn't, will AI